even that report that tells you they want everyone to be a doctor.
Something like this, mostly where we find it in our homes. If I pull it this way, the kids will be able to see what is.
Absolutely, it's common.
Something that the learners can learn. This is something that
Me, I did not become a doctor not because so this is audio policy.
Twitter Gravity CBC Center ithuĩ twĩharĩrĩirie gũkorwo tũkĩnyitanĩra na mũciari na mwana ũyũ gũkorwo tũkĩmũthomithia kana tũkĩmũrethera maũndũ maingĩ megiĩ CBC.
We are looking for a way that we can be supported so that we can roll centers like this. Every part of the country, especially every county should have at least one center where learners, teachers and parents can come and interact with the reality or the area of CBC.